So children, we were studying in chapter number 5 of science. We are doing the shoot system. Shoot system has mainly the stem. The stems are of different types. Thick, hard and woody stem, also called trunk, found in mango, coconut and so on. Thin, hard stem, also found in the rose and hibiscus and other plants, small plants. Soft green stems found in the coriander, tomato, and other flowers which are small plants. Weak stems which are pea, grapevine, and also the pumpkin, and so on. Now we are going to study about the functions of the stem. 4 main functions of the stem we have. Says the stem supports the rest of the plant. The leaves, flowers, fruits grow from the stem. The stem carries water from the roots and food from the leaves to other parts of the plant. The stems of some plants, such as the sugar cane, store food. The potato and ginger are underground stems that store food. So here we have 4 main functions of the stem. First, it supports the main stem, supports the rest of the plants. That is, the leaves, the fruits, the flowers, the buds, all are supported by the stem. All grows over the stem. So the leaves, the flowers, the fruits, the buds, everything is grown on the stem and the stem supports that. Next is the leaves, flowers, fruits grow from the stem. Thus now I have explained it. Since it supports the whole plant, it is also allowing all these leaves, flowers, fruits and buds to grow on it. Third one, the stem carries water from the roots and food from the leaves to other parts. So main function, the one very most important function is the transportation function of the stem. From the roots, it carries the water and minerals to different parts of the plant, and from the leaves, it carries the prepared food. The prepared food from the leaves to rest of the part of the plant. From the leaves to the prepared food, the rest of the part of the plant. Lastly, and the very important one, the stems of some plants such as the sugar cane stored the food. Sugar cane is a plant, is a tree or small plant, not small plant, medium plant, which has the juice, that is the food is stored in the stem. The potato and ginger are the underground stems that stored the food. Potato, ginger, both are underground stems which grows under the ground and it stores the food, and that food we have it as our food. Next, so here the picture of the sugar cane is given and the ginger is also given. Sugar cane storing the food in the stem, and ginger is an underground stem which is storing food. Now we come on to the leaf portion. The leaf is thin, flat and usually green part that grows from the stem. Leaves of different plants are of different shapes and sizes. So here we have the leaf. What is leaves? The leaves are the green part of the plants. They are of different shapes and sizes. Some plants have small leaves, some have very big leaves, some have medium leaves and so on. Some have compound leaves, some have simple leaves and so on. And they are thin, flat and usually green parts of the plant. We will continue with the leaf portion next day.